Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about stages of combustion. So actually in the IC engine, combustion of fuel have basically two stages. First is the flame development and second is flame propagation. So first the flame is developed and then it will propagate towards the unburnt fuel. So actually we can say there are the uh, maximum four stages as shown in this graph. So actually this graph is drawn between pressure variation in vertically upward direction, and this is the variation of crank angle. So actually this is the TDC, top dead center position. So at this top dead center the angle of crank is 0 degree. Okay, so this is actually TDC. Okay, so you can see here this is a piston, this is a piston, and this piston is moving vertically upward direction like this. Okay, so with the displacement of this piston, connecting rod is also changing its angle. So suppose the piston was at TDC. In this TDC condition, the uh, this crank angle is 0 degree here. Before it, at point B, it is crank angle given in this location. This is around 20 degree. So this angle is 20 degree, and at point A, this is around 35 degree. So actually with the displacement of this piston, the crank angle is also changing like this. Okay, so piston was, suppose this was initially here, the crank angle was at A point. When this is moving vertically upward at point B, this is the crank angle, this one. Okay, and at TDC piston is at this point, so the crank angle will be 0. So with the displacement of this piston, crank angle is changing. So actually this is the crank, this one, and this is the connecting rod actually.